It is today where Hans talk a very interesting and a safer subject and in fact a subject that were used in her daily life even in things we don't always notice it hide.
Well, these are the conditional sentences. The conditional sentences or expressions are statements discussing known facts and hypothetical cases or events and their possible consequences. We mainly use this kind of sentences or expressions to describe or communicate that something is true or is going to happen, but only if something else is true or is about to happen. This might seem confusing right now, but I swear it makes sense in a few minutes.
Where Hans talk about threat of state most common used conditional stances even if hand honest were cannot learn about its mechanic is structured and how makes example how what who said them hint how daily life.
Even if. Even if is a conditional sentence or expression that is mainly used to emphasize that something will happen. And it will happen no matter if there was actions or conditions to prevent so. Because we are using or we have a second conditional here, we're gonna use the past tense in the sentence where we are using the even if conditional. Because of this, the right structure of the even if conditional is even if plus pronoun or noun plus verb in past tense plus predicate or pronoun plus would plus infinitive verb plus predicate. Some examples of the right use of the even if conditional in sentences are: even if we booked our flight earlier, it wouldn't have been cheaper. Even if I ran to school, I wouldn't come in time. We can use would or wouldn't, it doesn't really affect the grammar of the structure of the even if conditional.
We use called in the if or plus to express possibility or permission, using the simple past. The if conditional is mainly used to talk about things in the future that are probably not going to be true. We also can use it to talk about something in the present is impossible to happen, because it's basically not true. His structure is if plus verb in past plus predicate or pronoun plus verb on infinitive plus predicate.
Some example of this: if I want the lottery, I will buy a mansion. This structure can change a little bit in some situations. For example, I will pass the exam if I study. I will pass the exam if I had studied.
Finally, unless. So the unless conditional is a word that is used to say an action or an event that is going to happen. But there might be something or someone that can prevent the success of happening. Also, as a second conditional, we use the past simple tense in the sentence, which basically explains what happened in the past that prevent an event or situation. His structure is pronoun, would, verb in infinitive, predicate, unless, verb in simple past, and predicate.
Some examples of this conditional are: I wouldn't drink that unless I was very thirsty. I wouldn't buy the car unless I won the lottery. I wouldn't use that shirt unless I was a kid.